morning, everybody. This is Jim at Yellowstone Rifle Company. I have here, fresh off the lathe in the Cerakote room, our 7 PRC we just finished up this morning. Got it all together, got the muzzle brake timed on. We've got it built. We've got a distressed white here for a Cerakote job. We've got a Nightforce NX8 2.5 to 20. And a Thunder Beast suppressor, an Ultra 7 Thunder Beast. And so we're going to test fire it here, do a couple shots down range and see how she comes along. Testing mainly the recoil and the suppressor functioning and everything else, but excited to see how she works this morning. Not bad. Good ejection. Shoots really nice with that suppressor on there. Decent sound suppression, everything for what it is. So there we have our 7 PRC this morning, folks.